Why can't I find a man with money? Why do I only meet men who need me to sacrifice or be a team player? Why can't a good woman get spoiled too? We categorize as men into 3 types based on how they financially support women. 1. Tricks. Wealthy, aggressive men who prefer to pay for short-term companionship rather than commit. To attract them, a woman must master seduction and appearance. 2. Sponsors. Older men with I don't care money who provide financial stability, such as paying rent or funding businesses. They often have wives or girlfriends and want discretion. 3. Treaters. More common and easier to attract, these men enjoy spoiling women but don't provide long-term financial support. Here is the issue. She did everything expected of an ideal wife: cooking, caring, and supporting her partner. But when her cousin's friend showed off real wealth and style, she realized that her traditional ways couldn't compete. This girl was winning with men on a level that she couldn't reach with her degrees, career, and nurturing love. Tricks, treats, and sponsors are hidden all around you. These men aren't hard to get to if you know what to look for and how to set your value. Number 1. To engage a man and flirt with him in a way where you stroke his ego will always win him over. A woman that doesn't look half as good as pretty can walk up to a man, make eye contact, compliment his smile, and give off crazy body language, and magic happens. This man's brain transforms her from a 7 to a 9 because she's being nice, showing interest, and filling that insecure hole that all men have. That's called charm. Number 2. Charm alone won't captivate a man to the point where he's treating you to Vegas trips just because. Charm alone is an easy way to find yourself in the friend zone unless you have the next ingredient: sex appeal. Number 3. Every time you step out of the house is an opportunity to attract someone who could change your life, so always look your finest. A thirsty man will talk to any woman. They're just playing the percentages. A desire chaser will talk to any woman showing skin, because men understand that women set flirt traps for a reason. They want intimacy. Tricks and sponsors aren't racing after intimacy. They're looking for a sign that you're different, that you're quality, and not someone that the world has sampled. Balancing style, makeup, and confidence ensures your appeal stands out. Number 4. Men love to be challenged, but they hate to be rejected. This means that the word no can lead you into a brick wall when attempting to get a trick open. Understand, "we will see," is the better term to use in your daily life. To tell him that you're thinking about it sends a signal to that man that he has to keep working away because he's almost in there. Number 5. If you suggest cheap places, you set a basic standard. Let him choose the first date spot. Whether it's nice or not, what matters is earning a second date. Now, start setting expectations with elegance, not just expense. Use Yelp to find romantic spots with top chefs, intimate lighting, and a luxurious vibe. Sexy atmosphere, sexy food, sexy date. It all sets the tone. Show him this is your standard. No fast food or pizza nights if he wants to be part of your world. Number 6. Dress like a goddess and go places where he can show you off. For non-dinner dates, choose live music or real theater, not a low-budget gospel play. The goal is to wear that sexy red dress, flaunt your heels, and make sure other men are watching. Playing on his jealousy makes you even more desirable. Number 7. Looking smart and staying on the slimmer side often gives you an edge over others who carry more weight. It's not just about beauty standards. It's about presence. A leaner look tends to highlight your style, boost confidence, and make everyday outfits appear more put together. While everyone has their own charm, keeping your body light can naturally make you more appealing and turn heads without even trying. Number 8. Reward men for good behavior to train them right. A nice dinner earns a deep kiss. Good boy. A romantic date. A little teasing, but never giving too much. Keep him wanting more by ending the night on a high note, leaving him eager and obsessed. With every effort he makes, Give a small treat, but never the full prize. That's how you set the rules and keep control. Number 9. Don't chase men. Let them chase you. If he pushes you away, walk. If he pulls you back, resist. Men either give up or step up, and both outcomes are a win. Stay in control, stand your ground, and never let emotions cloud your strategy. He's now begging, not demanding. Stay firm. At this stage, you hold all the power because you've shown you're not afraid to walk away and have plenty of options. No matter his wealth or status, he knows you can and will do better, so he'll step up. Number 10. Don't be fooled by flashy talk or material things. Real value lies in where a man actually lives and works. Instead of confronting him, casually ask to visit his home or drop by his job. If he's legit, he'll have no problem proving it. If he hesitates or makes excuses, he's likely bluffing. Always look past appearances and focus on real substance. A man's wealth doesn't mean he'll spend on you, so test his generosity early. Watch how he spends on your second date, his choice of wine, dinner, or entertainment. Then, before your third date, casually ask him to grab something small, like headphones, and see what he brings. If he forgets, he's not generous. If he buys something cheap, he's a budget spender. If he surprises you with a high-quality gift, he's willing to invest. This simple test helps you gauge his spending habits without directly asking.